Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we are going to discuss about public cloud design problem statement and their related solution. Today, we are going to discuss about AWS Simple Storage Service. We will be discussing about two public cloud vendors, AWS and Microsoft Azure. So, today's problem statement, how to store objects with public cloud storage. With Microsoft Azure, you can use storage account. With AWS, you can use S3, Simple Storage Service. What is an object? An object is a fundamental entity stored in the storage. So an object can be a PNG file, a video file, or a audio file, or a text file. An object consists of data and metadata. Objects can be uniquely identified in a bucket with a key and a version ID. So you can retrieve an object from the bucket with the help of a key and a version ID. So what is AWS Simple Storage Service? It is a highly secure, scalable, available, and performance-oriented service. It consists of data lakes, websites, mobile applications, backup and restores, archiving, enterprise applications, IoT devices, big data analytics. So if you are new to public cloud and you want to make your hands dirty, then Amazon S3 is the best place to play around. Let's try to understand different features of S3. So S3 has access points, batch operations, block public access, cost optimization, replication, storage lanes, and outpost. What is an S3 access point? It is used to configure with an access policy specific to a use case or an application. You can use to copy the data securely, or you want to restrict the VPC access to your storage account, to your S3. In that case, you can use S3 access points. So with access policy, you can define the rules. With the rules, the access to your S3 bucket will be restricted. Now let's try to understand S3 batch operations. With S3 batch operations, you will be able to copy or share the data batch-wise from your source to your target state. As you can see here, in Amazon S3, specify your target object by using S3 inventory report. And then in the S3 management console, select an API action from the pre-populated menu to run across your target S3 object. Then you can request common API actions such as copying the object between the buckets, replicating object tag sets, or restricting, restoring, archived objects from S3 Glacier. You can use AWS Lambda as well if you have any complex operation that you want to do. And then Amazon S3 batch operation will be used to requested actions are made access to your target S3 object from your source to your target. Amazon S3 block public access. This is one of the beautiful and most powerful service features with S3. With this, you can block your internet access to your S3 bucket. So you can completely block the public access to your S3 bucket via the block public access. You can block it on the bucket level as well as in the account level. Amazon S3 cost optimization. As you know, S3 has different tiers like frequent access tier, infrequent access tier, archiving access tier, deep archiving access tier. So all these tiers charges differently. So based on the uses with Amazon S3 intelligent tiering, it will automatically handle like which tier the bucket should be used or should be stored so that the cost will be minimum. That's how it optimizes your cost. Amazon S3 Replication is one of the service which enables automatic asynchronous copying of objects across Amazon S3 bucket. So if you want to achieve the asynchronous copying of the data or objects within your Amazon S3 buckets, then this is the way that you can, this is the feature that you can use. So with this, select a source bucket for replicating and create a replication policy, and then select your data set for replication by object tag or prefix or the entire bucket. And then with same region replication or cross region replication, you can achieve that. Amazon S3 storage lanes, it is the enterprise behavior with which you can achieve to check the visibility of S3 users, activity trends, and recommendations. So you can with Amazon storage lanes, you can view your accounts, regions, buckets, or organization on the top level, and you can aggregate the data, analyze it, and then you can provide it to your system for the automation. Amazon S3 Outpost is a service with which is a feature with which you can use the S3 APIs, automations and tools on Outpost on-premise as an AWS region. So with this feature, you can access your S3 from your on-premise system. It can support 48 terabytes or 96 terabytes of S3 storage capacity. Now S3 security. All the features that we understood here, like block public access, AWS trusted advisor, object lock, with this you can enable the security layer. And if you want to access the network security layer, you can use AWS private link service for S3, with which you can restrict the complete access to your S3 bucket. So if you want to understand more about private link service, then please follow my previous video where I have defined how private link helps to connect securely to S3 from your private organization. I have gathered all this information by following these links, so please follow the link, try to understand S3 more in detail. It's a beautiful service and easy service to start with, and try to understand it. If you like the video, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning. Thank you.